Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a speed clean with me. I hope it gives you a lot of cleaning motivation. And are you going to talk? Okay. And I hope y'all stick around to the end. I have before and afters, and I hope y'all enjoy. I'm just starting out collecting all the laundry that's all over the place, and then I'm going to go ahead and get that washed so I can get on with the rest of the house. I just wanted to throw a load in before I started cleaning so I could get it going and maybe get it done by the end of the day. So I'm just doing that right now.
It's so beautiful, you and me, we meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
And now we're in my kitchen, and it is a complete disaster, y'all. Like, it was a long day the day before, I guess. I didn't feel like cleaning. So anyway, I'm just showing y'all the before so you can see the results afterwards. And I just love a clean kitchen. It's like my favorite thing in the whole world. So anyway, I'm going to get started in here and get all this picked up and then move on to the rest of the house.
Around you, from a distance you can tell. You and me, we're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Now that I have all the dishes done, I like to clean my sink really good and then wash my baby's bottles and then put them in the microwave to sterilize them. So that's what I'm doing here. I have an obsession with cleaning my sink, and I've been trying to chill out on it a little bit, but maybe it's not a bad thing to have a clean sink. A lot of gross things go in there. So anyway, I just like to clean it before I start washing my baby's stuff. And before I put the baby's bottles in the microwave, I saw that it was really dirty, so I'm just taking a cup of water and a lemon, and I'm going to put that in the microwave for 5 minutes, and it kind of like steam cleans it, and it makes it really easy to wipe out. I don't have to use any cleaners or anything in there. So that's what I'm doing here. It was filthy, but I will get that all cleaned up, and then I will get his bottle sterilized. But while I wait that 5 minutes for that to get done, I'm gonna go ahead and do some more laundry because I don't want to get behind on that. And this is our kitchen chalkboard, and I usually write down stuff that I need to grab from the store. We were going to go later this day, so I was just writing down a few things that I needed just off the top of my head. And my daughter also uses it for drawing or playing, and she also uses it for school. So anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and write down a few things, and then I'm going to finish wiping down the counters. I'm just using some glass cleaner to wipe down my stainless steel stuff and the microwave and all that good stuff, just to get all the fingerprints off and make it look really nice and clean. And I didn't put that other little seat up of his because I'm actually going to get rid of it, because the day before I had him in it and he was kind of having a fit, and it wasn't even a very long fit, but he almost tipped it over. So I don't know if there's a weight restriction or what on there. He's only 5 months old, but I guess he is a little bigger. He's 21 pounds and he's wearing year-old clothing. So I don't know, but that thing is out. There's so many things nowadays that I just don't trust when it comes to babies being in. There's so many things that get recalled. I've already had him in one thing that got recalled, and so I'm really sketchy about those things. So I'm going to take that out and probably do some research. I hate, like, if it's been recalled, I will not give it to anybody else or try to sell it. Like, I just take it to the dump, get rid of it. I would never want to put another baby in harm's way. But anyway, that's what that's all about. So I finally got the floors clean, and this is the finished product. I love a clean kitchen, y'all. And now we're in my bedroom, and whoo, it was a... And I'm still torn on how I want to decorate in here. Like, I kind of did a little upgrade, but then not really. I just don't know. I'm so torn. I am in love with like royal blues and peacock green and all that stuff. So this really isn't my go-to colors. Again. My husband picked out this comforter when I wasn't with him. I don't hate it. I don't love it. He actually doesn't like it either because of the fabric. He doesn't like the way, I don't know. He just doesn't like it. So anyway, I'm still looking for another comforter set, but I'm still undecided. I kind of want to paint the wall navy blue, or not navy blue, royal blue. Like, I don't know, with pops of white. I don't know. It's hard to decide. What would y'all do? But anyway, now I'm just cleaning off my antique vanity that I love so much. And this day I was using the Method Wood for Good, but I'm going to stop using that on my real wood because it's taking the color out. It's fading away, and I don't like that at all. It smells good, it shines good, but I don't like the way it's making my wood look. So I'm going back to Pledge, I guess, for now, and then I'll see if I find something else I like, but I didn't like that at all. So now I'm just vacuuming, and this room will be done. And now we're in my master bathroom. It wasn't really that dirty, but I just wanted to give it a good wipe down and get it fresh and smelling good. So I'm just using the Method Anti-Bac, and it smells like spearmint. It's amazing. I love the way it smells. So anyway, I'm just going to wipe some stuff down in here, and then I'm going to move on to the kids' restroom, and then we're going to be done for the day. the kids' restroom. It's been worse. It's not so bad today. I'm just gonna pick up a few things. I'm not gonna clean the tub because I'm waiting to get to the store and get me some more barkeeper's friend. Jeez, I could not say that. So I'm gonna go get some of that, and then maybe tomorrow do the sinks and the bathtubs, because I don't know, I hear that it works really well on that, so I want to try it out. But anyway, I'm just gonna wipe down a few things and pick up a few things and then get out of here. So that's about it, guys. That wraps this video up. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notifications so you'll see whenever I post a video like this. I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.